Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make condensed milk at home in a few easy steps with only 4 ingredients, and it will take around 8 to 10 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need: half a liter milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking soda. To make this, use a thick bottom vessel. This is half a liter milk, full fat. You can use toned or skim milk also. Adding 4 tablespoons of palm sugar. You can use any organic sugar or you can prepare it even without sugar. Use a wide pan or a vessel so that the water contents get evaporated and it thickens quickly. Keep the flame on high till it reduces. Once it starts to reduce or thickens, bring back the flame to medium. Scrape the sides to remove cream. Just keep stirring regularly until it thickens up. As you can see, the milk is getting thick. Just cook it for a couple of minutes and I'm getting a nice caramelized flavor. Adding a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness and a pinch of baking soda to get a creamy texture. You can prepare without adding baking soda, but it will be a little less creamy. Our condensed milk is absolutely ready. It looks rich, creamy and delicious. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. You can use this method to thicken milk for any sweet dish, and it stays good in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 months. Do try this and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!